what's up, what you doing, how's life? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to get like a sleek low ponytail on short hair. Y'all, my hair is like really short. I'm like 11 months, 10 and a half months post big chop. So if I can do it, all of you guys can do it. As y'all can see, I'm definitely type 4 without a question. Like, and also my ends need to be done, but that's for another time. So basically, to start off, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to part my hair, and then the rest I'll put in a ponytail. Wet my hair just a tad bit, but not too much because I don't want it to shrink up. So I will pick it and I will take my gorilla snot and just put it throughout my hair so it can lay flat.
Gorilla snap. And then put it all throughout my head.
Okay, so once you get to the front, it's gonna get difficult to put your hair in the ponytail. So this is when you're really going to need to use your gel. Like, I'm just slathering it on and then brushing back.
A few moments later.
I don't know how you about to do that.
Yeah, I'm having so much trouble. Look at this. Blow dryer. Cause my curls keep on curling back up. Okay, what else? So this is down. I just have to get a bandana. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna put on this do-rag to lay it. I'm gonna leave this on for a couple of hours. Like y'all can see, it's lifting up, but it's okay. I got something for it.
Okay.
Again, I'm about to give it one last brush before I put this do-rag on to slick it up some more. And then I'll be back. Alright guys, I failed. I definitely needed help, and my boyfriend's sister also noticed I need help, so she helped me, thank God, because y'all, my hair was being so freaking stubborn. And y'all should also check out her Instagram page. She does dope braids. Like, y'all go follow her, look at her page and share. She is honestly so talented, and y'all, she's just about to graduate, so yeah, go do that. Anyways, y'all, look, my BBs are snatched. My BBs are never snatched. Like, my kitchen stay looking crazy. So we are using Marley twist hair right now. You see it's like red 99J, but we did go and change it because she has some extra hair. And right now you see her tying the hair onto my tiny ponytail. And she's gonna twist it around my hair so it could blend. And now she is going in with a fine-tooth comb to do my little edges, the little ones that I have. And y'all, she even did the swooply loop on the side. I was like, ah, look at me. Well, alright guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everything will be down in the description box below. Bye.